Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up some kind of parental control on the Xiaomi Mi Router 4A. First thing you need to do is to open the Mi Wi-Fi app, log into your Mi account, and you should see the screen like that. Then you need to choose the device you want to block. Tap on the access control, and there you have URL block list. Tap on it, click add, and there you can enter the address you want to block. You can choose, for example, YouTube, and now access to the YouTube on this device will be blocked. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.